Hello students. So today we are starting from chapter 2, exponents or powers. So I am starting this chapter because we have already studied this in class 7 also. So it will not be difficult for you to understand. It's just a revision and simple extension. Okay. So as you have already seen here, I have written x to the power k. This we read it as x to the power k, or we can say x raised to the power k. So this x is called the base and this key is called exponent or power or index. Okay, so I will give you an example here. Here I have written 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we are multiplying 3 4 times. So that's why I have written 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 3 to the power 4. Why 4? Because we are multiplying 3 4 times. Okay, so here 3 is called the base and this 4 is called the power. Okay, so this is the basic thing that I hope you already know. So let us start with laws of exponent. Okay, so though we have already studied this in class 7, so basically we'll go through this as quick as possible. Okay, so number 1 is a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So what this means? Okay, so when we you can see here the base is a, isn't it? And here also the base is a. Though the powers are different, the bases are same. So we are multiplying a to the power m into a to the power n. So in this case what happens is this will give you a to the power m plus n. So how to remember? When we are multiplying the two numbers having same base, though the powers are different, what will happen? That base will remain same, only the power will be added in the resultant. Understood? So when the bases are same, see I have underlined this, bases are same. So the main thing is the base should be same. And we are multiplying. When the bases are same and we are multiplying, then in the resultant the base will be the same and the powers will be added. For example, here I have written 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 8. Here you can see both the bases are 5, isn't it? They are same, but the powers, though they are different, what will happen in the resultant? This will give you the base will be same, that is 5, and the power will be added, that is 6 plus 8. Okay, so that will give you 5 to the power 14. So 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 8 is 5 to the power 14. Okay, but as I have already indicated here, the base should be same. For example, I am giving you here is 5 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 5. Here you can see that the bases are different. Here the base is 5. Here it is 7. That's why it will remain as it is. That means the power cannot be added. Okay, so I hope you understood till here. Let us go to the next law, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So here also the bases are same, though the powers are different. We don't care about the power here. The bases are same and we are dividing. In case of multiplication, we were adding the power. Here will be the exact opposite. So it will become a to the power m minus n. That is, the power will be subtracted. Okay, and remember one thing, you will not write a to the power n minus m. You cannot write the opposite. Okay, you have to write m minus, the first one coming at the first. Whichever is here, you have to write that first, minus the second one with which you are dividing. Okay, so from here what you can see, when the bases are same and we are dividing, then what will happen? So dividing, in the resultant the base will be same but the powers will be subtracted. Okay, so till here I hope you have understood. So let me give you an example. Okay, so to give you the example, suppose I have been given 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so we are dividing 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3. You can see here the bases are same. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to subtract the powers like this. 5 minus 3, 5 is in front, so 5 will be in front here also. 5 minus 3, that is 2 to the power 2. Okay, understood? So, but here also this is important. The bases should be same. For example, if I give you 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2, you cannot subtract, it will remain